Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how you can get internet speed bar in iPhone iOS 17. Now the first step here that we're going to do is by going to App Store. So just tap on App Store on your iPhone, and basically here you just need to tap on the search icon right here at the bottom right hand corner of your screen. And go to the search box at the top and just type right here traffic monitor with widget. Once you've done, just need to tap on search, and then here you just need to download and install this application here. So you just have to tap on this get button, and once you've done installing or downloading this app, so what you're going to do here, just need to tap on open, and then here you just have to tap on the accept button right here at the bottom right. And then here you just need to tap on the speed right here at the bottom middle of your screen, and then you will find this internet speed monitor. Now the next step here is by going back to your home screen on your iPhone, and then here what you're going to do is swipe from left to right, and then here you just need to edit this one, and then we're going to tap on the customize right here at the bottom, and then you'll find the traffic monitor speed. So we're going to tap on the plus icon, and once you've done, as you can see, it will now show up on your iPhone. So that's it. That's how you basically get internet speed bar in iPhone iOS 17. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.